All right, so let's say that you have to find this number. I've got 5,000, 60 hundreds, 110, and 12 ones. So the first thing I need to do is figure out what am I looking at here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use place value to try and figure it out. So we know we have 5,000s. So that's the same thing as 5 times 1,000. 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. All right, next we have that number done. Now let's look at the next one. I have 60 hundreds, 60 hundreds. So that's the same thing as 60 times 100. 60 times 100, I have 60, I add my 2 zeros for 6,000. All right, that number done. I have 110, so that's 1 times 10. What does that equal? That equals 10. Then I have 12 ones, so that is 12 times 1. These are my place value. This is in the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. This equals 12. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up the numbers. So 2 plus nothing is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. So this number added together is going to be my standard form. So standard form, that's the way we normally write a letter, is going to be 11,022. All right, so now we have to write this number in an expanded form. That means we're going to take that number, we're going to break it apart. So we're going to take a look at this again. I have 10,000. And then I'm going to add 1,000. I don't have any hundreds, so 0 hundreds. So that means I don't write anything. I have 2 tens, which is 20, and then I have 2 ones. So this is my expanded form. Lastly, I need to do the expanded form with multiplication. And this is where, once again, I'm looking at my place value. But now I'm making sure that I look at my standard form in order to come up with my place value. So look at this. This is my 10,000s. So how many groups of 10,000 do I have? I have one group of 10,000. Plus, I have one group of 1,000. Plus, I have 0 hundreds, but I have 2 groups of 10 plus 2 groups of 1. And that is going to equal 11,022. Anytime you're doing the multiplication in expanded form, think of a multiplication sign as groups of. How many groups of that place value do I have? How many groups of that place value do I have? How many groups of that place value do I have? How many groups of that place value do I have? I hope that helps.